So let's start with the problem statement. Nowadays, enterprises are modernizing application, right? So they are building AI-driven application, event-driven application, and also at the same time, they want to create some customer portal with a highly cost-efficient data platform. To solve this particular problem, we have MongoDB on LinuxONE, which is capable of handling these kind of challenges. So to start with, I would like to point out few of the key important things. One is hardware-software co-optimization. Basically, it's talked about the performance. So LinuxONE is based on S390X architecture. Basically, this architecture is highly optimized for input-output operations. So with that, MongoDB benefits from input-output optimization, encryption, and highly architecture level, we have a highly memory-efficient kind of platform that LinuxONE provides. And also the next one is operational consolidation. Basically, this is operational simplicity we are talking about. So what LinuxONE can vertically scale up. So I'm not just talking about some GBs of scaling. We are talking about multi-TB scaling on a physical footprint. And with that, if we are scaling at that level, we are reducing the number of servers needed for our ecosystem. So with that, it reduces the complexity around our platform. Now let's talk about the reliability part. Reliability is basically MongoDB already provides you replica set, failover, and recovery mechanism. With that, if we combine MongoDB with LinuxONE platform, it can help us in different segments. We are talking about encryption, we have pervasive encryption, we are talking about quantum safe encryption. That kind of stuff also comes with LinuxONE and MongoDB. Now let's talk about the scalability architecture. Scalability architecture means, I am not just talking about vertical scaling here. We'll focus on vertical scaling with LinuxONE, and when needed, we can also horizontally scale out with MongoDB using sharding. So now the question arises, right? Why running MongoDB on IBM LinuxONE instead of, x86? So it's a very genuine question, but to support this particular thing, we'll talk about some numbers. So if I'm talking about numbers, we'll talk about the lab-tested numbers. So we have seen that 50% reduction in floor space requirement, power and cooling requirement on LinuxONE instead of x86. We are talking about 8 nines of infrastructure availability. That means it's nearly a zero downtime we are talking about. As I have already talked about the flexibility, we can scale from XS to 4XL. We are talking about multi-TB of same physical footprint. And we have also seen encryption, which is provided by LinuxONE platform, pervasive encryption and quantum safe encryption. And this one is very interesting. We have seen partners struggling with copy of data. We are talking about petabytes of data from one place to another. We have seen partners have taken around weeks of doing that process. With LinuxONE platform, we have reduced that number to minutes. We have seen that we have reduced that huge number to 20 minutes or 25 minutes with safeguard copy and flash system services from LinuxONE. So this is how LinuxONE boosts MongoDB deployment. I have already talked about performance, security, and IT optimization. So I'll just skip this one because we have already talked about it. Yeah, this one is really interesting. We created one POC with Confluent Kafka. Now it is IBM Confluent Kafka. So the idea is, you see, data doesn't sit on a single place, right? So it keeps on moving from application to application. So with that in mind, MongoDB is really very flexible to handle these kind of data, these kind of architecture. If MongoDB combines with Confluent Kafka and LinuxONE IBM LinuxONE platform, we unleash a very strong foundation to create these kind of use cases, multi-agentic use cases, right? So with that, I'll hand it over to David. David will go deep dive into LinuxONE platform. Over to you, David.
Thank you, Shashank. Yeah, no, I'm really excited to work with Shashank. He's developed this great demo on multi-agent ticketing back in September, and now IBM has acquired Confluent. So we're doing a lot with a lot of big banks and healthcare with Confluent. and now we're integrating that in with MongoDB, so we're putting the demo up on LinuxONE as we speak. So we did this benchmark at a client, a big bank in the US, Pittsburgh-based, and when we trying to get the producer was running on a legacy mainframe, ZOS DB2, their banking data, and we had the data close to the Mongo instance, and we're basically using the Confluent to move the data, and we're seeing 30x performance. So, I think us and MongoDB, we're very excited to get this demo that he developed before working for this client. So we're also working with a really big bank that's, again, trying to, the problem statement is their legacy on a legacy mainframe today. They want to go open source and modernize their application. So what we're doing is we're moving them, like they had a requirement from the government to have, instead of 2 months of data to go back and dispute a credit card transaction, you can go back 2 years, and they didn't have enough capacity on their mainframe to do that. So we're going to move it over to LinuxONE with Red Hat Linux and MongoDB, and using Kafka to integrate with that over there. And we have this monster 9 petabyte database that we have to do all this stuff going. And initially when we first tested, it was taking a week, as Shashank saying, to back up that data, and that wasn't meeting the bank's requirements. So what we did is we integrated in with Ops Manager, talking to the agents, and then we snapped the data and replicated it that way, and we're down to literally minutes now to do that and to meet their RTO and RPO objectives. So this LinuxONE is great for, we'll kind of talk about the next case with Citibank. They've been live, they've got 10,000, 11,000 mission critical, franchise critical databases, facial recognition, things like that. So they were on x86 before, and it's very easy to migrate Mongo database to LinuxONE. You just basically build a new replica, let it go there, and then degrade that. So you can still do your development in the cloud on x86, but when you need a monster performance, not monster scalability, LinuxONE's an option for the really big databases. If you're hitting performance challenges, security challenges, there's data sovereignty too, right? That's a big topic here in the UK. People want to bring their data in, so you could run one of your copies locally on a LinuxONE and still run in the cloud as well. So it's a very powerful, effective solution, and we've been working with Citi many years. They were Partner of the Year at one of these Mongo events before, and I'm working with them quite a bit. And like I said, Mongo's great. I've never seen a database that's so easy to migrate across platforms. You can move on and move off very, very easy. It's a great, great database. So like I said, we kind of shared the numbers with you. And we can overcommit memory. Memory is a big concern. I was at a big client last week, and they said, we had a quote for 5 x86 powerful servers running Mongo at $350K, and now those same servers, quote, to get the memory, to get those systems in today are 2.1 million because of this memory shortage, to get them in the next week. So the LinuxONE, we're not having that problem. We have the memory. We can actually overcommit memory effectively, and we're doing that at Citi. So it's a good platform to solve some of that and to do it on a lot less, floor space and a little bit more greener. So one of the things why Citi did LinuxONE is because of security. They had something called Appendix J financial requirement, where malware attacks. You had to get at your data very quickly. And on our flash systems that we have AI that we can detect. We snap the data. You can snap at one of your replica sites, I think, 6 o'clock in the morning. You could have another site, another replica, snap that data at 8 o'clock in the morning and rotate them around that way at your different replica sites. And we can detect if there's malware being written on write when it's writing to the actual disk. Say, hey, there's malware there. And we can tell you which copy to go back to. And it makes it very quick because we're not moving data between different systems. We're actually just changing the pointers to get that data back. And so it's very easy to do that. And then we also do the Ops Manager backups, where we can basically do a QA development environment. We back up and restore there in 20 minutes and get any tables or data and bring it back into production. So we kind of do double backup, and this is a great way to cover all your security threats. And again, it's in production. We're running it mission critical, thousands of databases for the big dogs. You got some really big Mongo databases, this thing can do it for you. So, that's one of the main reasons why Citi went with this solution. And then what we're doing now at Citi as well, and this is very technical, but we're basically encrypting the data for payment card data, because everything has to be encrypted from the going to the app server, to the database server, from the storage layer, everywhere. And what we've seen when you encrypt the data, the application takes a performance hit, maybe 40, 50, 60%. And so what we do with the LinuxONE, the Z hardware is, or Z hardware, is we have these hardware accelerators built onto the chip that take those encryption instructions and it runs it in on the CPU cache. So basically we're talking nanoseconds to get that key from the cache on the chip versus milliseconds to a card or off. So we can do a lot more inline encrypt, decrypt operations in flight with MongoDB. And the DBAs don't have to do a lot of extra work. And you can like have, you can replicate from the cloud and have one of your secondaries pick up this encryption if you need to. So it's very flexible with MongoDB. You can have some running the super secure and some encrypted, and you can run some if you don't want to in other environments. So Mongo makes it very flexible. So this just kind of shows what we can do on a LinuxONE server. We're doing, the Confluent, the Mongo database. We're doing OpenShift, Ansible, automation, Terraform. So, we can do we can do 64 terabytes of memory, which is great for Mongo loves memory. So we can have these monster big MongoDB databases running with tons of memory and get really, really good performance. So yeah, and then again, we have like, a LinuxONE machine has more than this memory in there, so it has redundant memory, so if our memory goes, it can spare out the CPU as well. That's where we get the 8 nines availability. So it's a great platform for the banks, mission critical. They want to move off the legacy mainframe, and they want to move to a secure data sovereign solution. It's a good option out there. So, any questions out there?